Your front door is more than just an entry point. It's the first line of defense for your Rockford home. While style and curb appeal matter, safety and security are top priorities for families who want peace of mind. One of the most effective ways to strengthen your home's protection is through professional door installation. Unlike DIY projects or quick fixes, expert installation ensures that your doors perform at their best, protecting against break-ins, accidents, and even environmental hazards. Reinforced security from proper installation. Even the strongest, highest quality door can't provide maximum security if it isn't installed correctly. Gaps in the frame, misaligned locks, or poor hardware placement all create vulnerabilities that intruders can exploit. Professional installers make sure your new door fits perfectly within its frame, reinforcing weak spots and ensuring locks and deadbolts align properly. For Rockford homeowners, where neighborhood safety is a priority, this precision helps create a secure barrier that's difficult to tamper with. When your door closes tightly and locks securely, it instantly boosts your family's protection. Stronger materials and enhanced durability. Professional door installation often goes hand in hand with upgrading to stronger, more durable materials. Solid core wood, fiberglass, and steel doors are popular options that provide both security and resilience. Unlike older hollow core doors, these materials resist forced entry and withstand the seasonal changes Rockford weather brings. Experts can also recommend impact-resistant or fire-rated doors, which add an extra layer of safety for your home. With professional guidance, you're not just choosing a new door, you're choosing the right door for long-term safety and durability. Improved safety against accidents. Home safety isn't only about preventing crime. Poorly installed doors can also create hazards inside your home. Doors that don't fit correctly may slam unexpectedly, stick in the frame, or swing open too easily, increasing the risk of injury. Professional installation eliminates these risks by ensuring smooth operation and proper balance. For households with children or elderly family members, this attention to detail provides added peace of mind. A properly installed door is reliable, easy to use, and safe for everyone in your home. Protection from Rockford's climate. Rockford's weather can be unpredictable, with cold winters, humid summers, and plenty of seasonal changes in between. Poorly fitted doors often let in drafts, moisture, or even pests, all of which can compromise safety and comfort. Moisture leaks, for instance, can damage flooring and create slippery surfaces, while drafts can reduce indoor air quality and increase reliance on heating systems. Professional installers seal doors with weather stripping and use techniques that block these entry points, protecting your home against environmental risks while maintaining comfort inside. Boosting property value and confidence. Homebuyers in Rockford look for properties with strong safety features, and a professionally installed door is a clear signal of quality. By investing in expert installation, you're not only protecting your family but also increasing your home's resale value. A secure, well-installed entry door provides peace of mind for you now and adds appeal for future buyers. Final thoughts. Professional door installation is about more than just appearance. It's a vital step in protecting your Rockford home. From reinforced security and stronger materials to climate protection and accident prevention, expert installation ensures your door works exactly as it should. If your doors are outdated, damaged, or improperly installed, now is the time to consider an upgrade. With the help of skilled professionals, you can enhance your home's safety, improve comfort, and gain peace of mind knowing your family is well protected.